What's up, YouTube, man? So this is a co-part to my living in the car series, man, where I got kicked out the house, was forced to live in my car. Now I had went back on Mother's Day with a gift card, and me and my moms have made up, and I've been staying there ever since. Me and my dad's relationship was still a little but while I was living in my car, I had needed a little getaway, so I had went down to Wilmington Beach for a couple days, and while I was out there, I had met this bartender. And before I left, he was like, "Hey man, you know what? I fuck with your vibe. You're a cool dude. If you ever want a career change and can move down to Wilmington, I can get you this job for sure." And I was like, shit, man, it's always my dream to live closer to the beach or around the beach. And shit, I'm tired of this warehouse shit. And he making a lot more than I'm making at that warehouse. So I'm like, man, look, give me 6 months, man. Beginning of the year, man, I'll be there. So yeah, man, that's the goal. We're gonna be vlogging and working hella OT in the meantime. Y'all know I'm gonna take y'all with me, man, so let's get it. You dig? Hey, man. We in the AM with it. Ain't even the AM, man, but yeah, we finna get this new line and put in. I've been pushing this shit back for so long. This shit only gonna take a few minutes, bro. So, let me get this out of here real quick, man. Got some Starburst in my shit. We're gonna clean this car up after this shit, too, So basically, how I start the lining is, shit, let me get this car turned on because it is blazing. So I need to make sure while I'm doing this shit. But yeah, man, it used to plug up in there, but now I plug it up under my this and onto here. So the cords get hidden under here. I just run it all the way through. So what we're gonna do first off, it runs all the way through the back right here. It goes through there, under there, and all the way back under, over to right there, goes through there. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is, I remember when I first got this Tesla screen put in, the lining didn't fit, so I had to get them to readjust my Tesla screen so I could fit my lining, man, because the lining just has to be there, dog. It just has to be there, dog. Let me close this door while this AC passes. All right, man, so I just took all of it out from under here. It was basically under all of this, right? And then it came out through here. Boom, bada bing. And all this comes out. And then the leftover is put into here. So yeah, man, and that's that. So now the lining is out. Time to put the new one in, man. Let me go get my protectant wipes real quick, man. Get this shit wiped down, man. Time to take this mat out, dog. Just feel like the car look cleaner without it. The car look cleaner without it, man. So you feel me? I see it, man. Straight black look now. Still gotta fix this fucking dumbass shit right here. That keeps falling off, but that ain't nothing, man. We'll get it fixed up. This was there to help the mat stick. Hopefully it doesn't pull off the... Oh, wow. That looks fucked. I don't know how to fucking wipe that off of there, but yeah, man, y'all see it, dog. Man, I think that looks way cleaner. And then to add more red to it, put the lining back in. And I need some new fucking, I want the infiniti seat spacers that's right here on this side, bro. They don't sell them anymore, so that's tough. But yeah, man, we're gonna get this bitch right. Let me figure out the cleaning supplies I need for this shit. Out of here, buddy. Feel me? I ain't put the line in there yet, so you feel me? Rocking the plain Jane screen, you feel me? Got the color changing lights on that bitch. I ain't even got the red lights on it. You feel me? Switching up the look a little bit, man. You feel me? But yeah, y'all see how the red line and it really makes this shit better. Like pop more, you feel me? See, without it, it's just a screen and shit. Boy, I want to speed past this nigga so bad. Like I said, I be chilling with the workmates, man. I mean, son. Gotta get past his ass. We at the gas station with this shit, man. Cop City out here, man. We got some bullshit going on over there. I don't know what the fuck. There's always some officers parked up at this gas station, bro. There's one parked up behind this shit. I be peeping their ass, man. Gonna go in there, get me some jabs. So nigga 21 now, I ain't got to worry about getting ID. I'm straight. Big folk. I see it, man. It's fresh out the shower and shit. Oh, man, I see it, man. Oh, boy. I see the curls going crazy, man. I still gotta take, which one? This whole shit. Still gotta take that shit out, man, bro. Work break, man, y'all know it. Still ain't fixed that shit. Fuck it. Still ain't put my line in there either. Got that clip, motherfucker. Y'all see it, man. Lunch break. Really crazy, though. What the fuck type of car is that right there? That bitch hard. Feel me, man? Getting up out this motherfucking dog shit. I see it, man. I don't know what color I got on. I look like green or something. What the fuck wrong with me? But yeah, man. Look at the little kitty, man. There's so many cats around here, bro. He don't even give a fuck, man. They ass don't give a damn. I know we outside with it. I picked a little ass frog. He chill though. Nah. You wanna tap it? I'm finna light that motherfucker. What you wanna tap that motherfucker smart? I will tap that bit. Yeah. Oh, let me. Like that. Good boy, tap. Wait, where you go? You right there, still right? Oh, I'm tripping. Bro, is that a frog right there, bro? Or is that grass? Y'all know the routine, man. Man, this is finna smoke one and edit, dog. Y'all know the vibes, man. Still ain't put that. I think I'm gonna rock it without the liner for a little minute. Not for a little minute, but at least for a couple more days. You feel me? It's just that clean look. You feel me? No LED lights. I am finna fix that ASAP. Probably next couple of days. I'm finna see. I'll probably thread it through and get it put up there, man. But get a black with no lining. It's just clean. You feel me, though? Leaving work, man. Damn, man. The car look a little dull, though. You feel me? Ain't got the flow lights on, ain't got the lining on. But see, y'all see how much that shit adds, though, to the look, though, right? Like, you feel me? Now it's just the plain Jane screen with the LED steering wheel. Like, this look cool, bro, but this shit does not compare to the red lining with the red lights, bro. That shit just makes the shit pop, bro. You know what I'm saying? The little details matter, man. No cap. Me too. What y'all boy, man? Feel me? They've been editing videos for the past 2 hours, something like that, man. You feel me? Nigga finna go see what that Casamigos hitting on. No cap. No cap, man. I ain't been on the P5 in a minute, though. Definitely cheese for work, man. Extra. Got to throw that bitch in the air fryer right there. Come on, man. And I got some. But this shit, look. This shit done came off the fucking cap. Look, these are supposed to go together, bro. These is 2 pieces, bro. I'm trying to pull the cap off. This shit done came off. Yeah, I'm trying to pull it out. Had to yank the motherfucker out. Cause the shit wouldn't come out no other way. Fucking tequila done splash everywhere and shit, man. So we working with a little bit. I don't even like to drink a lot anyway. What the fuck? Hold on. That shit making a crazy ass sound. Why the fuck is that bitch on there? Fuck it. Why the fuck is it making that sound, bro? What it is, man. I got to eat. Y'all see it, man. Got the fat shot, the strawberry lemonade. You know that bitch gonna get me right. That bitch cooking up. It's gonna give it this good. Wasted by the shot, for real. Y'all see it, man. Got the Philly cheesesteak bust. I got the other half cooking in that bitch now. Strawberry lemonade for the kickback, so got the Got the Migos in that motherfucker. It's like 4 in the morning for real. So we probably won't be back up till about 12 o'clock. You know, we got to work. 3. Fuck ain't that. Alright, man, we chose a movie. That's out in Baltimore. Movie. We got this shot. Bro, this is a fat ass shot. This is crazy. This is a crazy shot to be taken at fucking 4 or 5 in the morning. Not about 4 in the morning. It is about the sunrise though. Fuck it though. I bought that shit. I gotta take it. If I don't take it now, that shit gonna stay in the fridge, bro. I ain't gonna fuck with it. Like I said, I ain't really no drinker. I got this shit really just cause I just turned 20. I'm like, fuck it, let me just hit the ABC store. They gonna fuck with me. Cause they got to. You feel me, nigga 21, but yeah, man. I know my stomach gonna hurt taking this shit. I like to just take it all at once, bro, but it's a lot. Man, I gotta do that shit. Alright, right. I'm doing shit. Let me take a few starter sips. Ew. I think it's not frozen or some shit. This shit got a different taste in it. That shit ass. I go out this shit ass, bro. But you gotta sip enough to get drunk, so I ain't sipping this shit for the taste. Shit. The drink hitting, man. I feel good as a bitch. No cap. I got like probably like 1 shot left in the glass. Downstairs, man. I might have to go just down that bitch, and ain't no point in saving 1 shot. I know I had to go grab that Migos, man. You feel me? Like, y'all see how much it is, man. I'm like, bro, I'm almost down that shit, bro. It ain't no point. You already buzzed up. You might as well get drunk for real. Fuck it. Alarm just went off at 5:30. Fuck it, dog. I'm finna down this Migos. I ain't gonna lie to you, dog.
As to how and why it was created, we don't immediately recognize that he's doing the same thing. But he is. Prompting Lennox to further comment, nonsense remains nonsense even when spoken.
Y'all see it, man. The light done got light out that motherfucker, man. Nigga still up, man. I'm probably finna go smoke this little blunt so I can go to sleep. Man, that drink ain't hit on shit. Y'all seen that drunk all that tequila, man. Niggas, bro, I don't feel like I'm finna even fall asleep, bro. A little bit, but it's gonna take a minute, man. I might gotta hit that blizzy. Like that.
A girl on the date. I mean, you don't have to kayak, but you can. It's nice out there. You can sit out there.
Yeah. Facts. Yeah, I've been here before. I've been here before.
When? In high school?
No, I've been here with a girl.
Okay. See, the fishing area is over there.
That's where you was when I called you?
Mm-hmm. But we gonna unload the kayaks right here. We go in right here.
Bad, man.
And you can rent kayaks on weekends, but you have to reserve them. You can't just come.
Does this place be popping on the weekends?
Yeah, it's very busy. It's your own kayak, you can kayak.
Let's get this shit unloaded, dog. All right, boys. Boy got the vest on, man.
This is your release right here to release the reel.
Yeah, man.
But you gotta hold
big
it
fish and shit. No, not fishing. Really kayaking.
Listen to me now. So this is your release. Okay, once you press on this, Brandon, see this button?
Yeah.
Once you press on this, it's activated. Don't let it go, because if you let it go, this is what's gonna happen. And then you gotta reel it back in. No,
and the fish is gonna eat your stuff. So that shrimp isn't real.
Yeah, the shrimp is real. So
we're fucked.
So watch this. So, I got it.
Oh, this is where you fish right here? Oh, I see a fish in the water.
You throw it out like that, and then you can reel it back in. See that?
Yeah, dude. I know how to reel in a freaking rod, dude. I mean, okay, everybody knows how to reel in a rod.
Quick editorial on how to throw a rod out.
All right, man.
So this is your rod, because it's the easiest one.
How do I catch the fish? When he gets on there, how do I catch him?
When the bob goes down. When you see the bob go down,
you just start reeling in? He's already locked in?
Roll a fat ass when I smoke that bitch down to some roaches. He jumped up in that water and that nigga started floating. I was driving in the foreign with some foreigns on my feet. Niggas say they got switches, but I know they ain't gon' hit shit. Missions full of missions.